Okay, guys, box method example 2. Get ready. I realized this time I'll use more colors to help sort it out because it's confusing, especially when you can't ask me questions right now. So let's try it again. Move you over to the camera. I'm sure you guys are getting super annoyed of me narrating this, but this is our life now. Okay, so example 2. Move the paper towel out of the way. Let's start with figuring out what is what. We have 2,962 divided by 5. There will be a remainder in this one as well, guys. So 2,962 is our dividend. Five is our divisor. And this, the answer to our division problem, is our quotient. So let's set up our boxes. We are starting with 2,962. Go ahead and put him in a box. And we're dividing him by 5. So here's where the other colors come in. Let's start one digit at a time. We're going to start from the left side of the number. If I have two dots, 1, 2, how many groups of 5 can I make? None. Oh no, I chose a color that won't erase. Sorry, that's going to be kind of ugly. What about if I have 29 dots? If I have 29 dots, how many groups of 5 could I make without going over? I could make 5 groups of 5, which would be 25 dots. Now what I need to do is put my 2 zeros here. To finish that up, I'm also going to put those 2 zeros up top. So 5 times 5 would give me 2,500. Now let's subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. 6 minus 0 is 6. 9 minus 5 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. Subtraction sign there. So this is the new number I'm going to work with in this box. So now we have 462. If I have 4 dots, how many groups of 5 can I make? None. What about if I have 46 dots? If I have 46 dots, I'm able to make 9 groups of 5. That would be 45 dots. I need to put my 0 on the back here and then bring that 0 up top. 90 times 5 would give us 450. Now I'm going to subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. So this is the number that travels up top. If I have, starting with 1 digit at a time again, if I have 1 dot, how many groups of 5 can I make? None. What about if I have 12 dots? If I have 12 dots, I'm able to make 2 groups of 5. 2 times 5 is 10. And you can see I don't need to put any more zeros there to line up. 12 minus 10 would leave me with 2. If I have 2 dots, can I make any more groups of 5? Nope. Is this number less than our divisor? Yes. 2 is less than 5. So I'm done. This is my remainder. So I'm going to go ahead and take this guy and move him up top here. That way you can see where he came from. Now, the front part of my quotient, I'm gonna add up these. So I'm gonna do 500 plus 90 plus 2. So 592. Now remember, we said we can check a division problem to see if it's right by multiplying the quotient and the divisor, and we should get the dividend. So let's give that a shot. So I'm going to start by multiplying the whole number quotient with my divisor, and then once I found this answer, I'll add my remainder. My brain moved faster than my fingers there. That should be multiplication. 5 times 2 is 10. 0 goes down, 1 goes up and over. 5 times 4 is 45, plus 1 would be 46. 6 goes down, 4 goes up and over. 5 times 5 is 29. No, 5 times 5 is 25, plus 4 would give us the 29. And now I'm going to add my 2 in. That was my remainder. And I get 2,962. This should match our dividend, and it does. So I know that 2,962 divided by 5 would give me a quotient, or an answer, of 592 remainder 2. We did it. So I'm going to do one more problem of this so that you guys can see it. And then you'll get started on your quick check. Yay!